Hello, bro. How far now? I'm on my way.
Okay. Hello. Hello, excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry. This is your money. The money fell off from your pocket.
Oh. Oh,
yeah,
oh my
careful.
goodness. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yes. Wait.
All right, bye.
Wait. It's not complete.
Sir?
The money is not complete.
Check your pockets. It's complete.
It's not.
That is the money I picked from the ground.
No.
Your money is complete.
Okay, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's supposed to be 1,000.
I don't know what happened. I saw this money on the floor, and I saw it when the money fell off from your pocket. I picked the money.
So you decided to help.
Yes.
Okay, so you decided to help me, and you also decided to help yourself.
How, sir?
Because you've not given me all my money now.
This is your money. I did not take any piece out of the money.
Madam, please stop that nonsense. Stop that nonsense.
Hey.
What kind of thing is this? You want to pocket $300 just because you helped me to pick $1,000. Do you know how much $300 is in this economy?
I did not take your money. Oh, okay. Hey, why are you accusing me?
What are you talking about?
See, I did not. There is no money in this. I did not take your money now. Eh?
So how? So where's the money? Where's the balance?
Okay, I did not take your money. I just saw your money on the floor.
Come, provide. No. I don't want to hear any stories. I don't want to hear any stories. What kind of nonsense is that? Okay. If you want to help someone, you help someone.
Okay, why
it's not that you
like
want
this?
to. I don't even understand why people in this country are like this. You want to help. You say you want to help someone, then you want to keep pocket some for yourself.
Okay, I did not take your money.
You don't look hungry now. You don't look like someone that should be hustling for this in this manner now.
Okay, please, I did not take your money. I did not take your money. You should be thanking me now.
What? Yes, I should be thanking you if you give me my complete money. This is. Am I supposed to just forget about $300?
Okay, please, I did not take your money.
Madam, what's your problem? What's your problem? So why are you walking away? They haven't resolved this problem and you are walking away. Where are you going to?
This is the money I saw on the floor, and I picked the whole money. This is your money, and I did not take
the money I had with me is 1,000, or rather was 1,000, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That is your money. I did not take any.
Are you calling me a liar? Are you telling me that I did not have up to $1,000 on me? Do I not know how much I had on me?
I don't know, but this is the one I saw on the floor, and I picked the whole money. This is your money. I did not take any one out of your money.
It seems like maybe I'm speaking too much grammar right now.
Okay, you just want to make trouble.
No. You want me to make trouble with you because I can actually get you arrested right now.
Because I helped you.
I can get you arrested because you are trying to steal from me.
Me?
Yes.
Hey, Jesus.
You are trying to steal from me, and if you don't take your time, I'm going to call the police right now.
Okay, I did not take your money.
I said I'm going to call the police, and before I even call the police, I'm going to deal with you here
because
by myself.
I helped you.
Yes.
Because I have to see me see trouble. Oh God, are you seeing it?
You are the one who is looking for trouble. Give me the rest of my money, please. Wherever you put
your money.
Bring it out. Bring out my money.
I did not take your
money.
money.
I'm around you street here now. Because you see fair person, I don't know what's here.
Why?
Give me my money.
Why is it that people cannot appreciate good things?
I should appreciate you for stealing $300 from me.
I did not take your money. I did not take your money.
I'm going to call people that will search you.
I did not take your money.
Come back here.
Okay, no, I did not take your money. I did not take your money.
Give me my money.
I don't know why you are doing this. I did not take your money.
Give me my money now.
Okay, search my bag. I did not.
I will start taking things. I'll start taking things from you.
Why are you doing this?
How much is this?
You are trying to discourage me from
helping people. It's not even up to $300. How much is this bag? How much is this bag? It's not even up to everything you are carrying is not even up to $300.
You are embarrassing me, oh. You are embarrassing me. Allow me to go. I did not take your money. Did I do anything wrong by helping you?
Let me take everything that I will take.
You want to take my watch?
Yes.
Because I helped you.
I don't care.
God, are you seeing it?
I don't care.
Are you seeing it? You see why it's not good to help people. You see why it's not good to. You see why it's not good to be kind. Are you seeing it? Okay, because you think you are a man, you can overpower me, Abi. No problem. God will judge you. God will judge you.
Is there anything inside here that you need?
Okay, give me my bag, oh.
I said, is there anything inside here you need? Is it your... How much... Which phone do you even have, sir?
Hey, God. This will be the last time I will help anybody again.
Please, take your phone. Take your phone. Is there money there or anything else you need? I don't even know what I'm doing. These things are not up to $300.
Oh, hey. This is not
Give
fair.
me the earring.
People, are you seeing it? This is
Give me
not
the
fair.
earring.
Did I do anything wrong by
Give me
helping
the
you?
earring.
Can you see it now? This is why I would never help anybody again.
Sorry, I overheard you guys talking about money.
Yes.
I don't know, there is $200 down there. I don't know who owns it.
Dollars?
$200. Look at it, just down there.
Jesus.
Check.
You see? You see? Look at your money. Look at your money, and you just embarrass me like a thief. See your money. Give me my watch. Give me my watch. Give me my properties. No problem. It's God that will judge us, oh. It's God that will judge us, oh. No problem. It's not wrong to help people. This will be the last time I will help anyone again. Any stranger. I will never help anybody again. No problem. You see how you treated me. See your money, oh. I hope it's now complete. No problem. I can go now, B.
Wait.
Oga, what is it now?
Wait.
You have your money now. So allow me to go.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Hey.
I'm sorry.
There is
please.
nothing to sorry about.
I'm sorry.
You now have your money.
Please.
You have power. You have muscle.
I made a mistake. Please, I'm sorry.
No, you are right.
I'm sorry.
You are right.
I'm ashamed of myself. I shouldn't have treated you like that. I'm sorry, but please forgive me. You know how the economy is. It's difficult to come by money now. I actually thought that you took the money. I'm sorry.
Okay, please allow me to go. Or do you still want to carry my bag?
No.
Or do you need my watch?
Please, can you take $100?
Me take $100.
Please.
Do I look like a hungry woman to you? Just take a very good look at me.
I'm sorry.
Do I look hungry to
You
you?
don't look hungry, but I wish I could even give you all of them the way I feel right now. It's just that it's for business.
Oga, you are the hungry person here. You think you have $1,000 and you are here laughing, making mad because of $1,000. Only this my chain will buy you and buy your generation. I don't blame you. This will be the last time I will help anyone again in this street.
Madam, please.
Can you imagine labeling me a thief because I helped him? Hey, I don't suffer, Kaizara. You don't suffer.
Hi. Why did I behave this badly?